Now see this question. Angle subtended by each optotype of 6 by 6 vision on a Snellen's chart. So basically they are talking about the minimum angle of resolution, which is 5 minutes of the hour. So they are talking about this. So basically what happens when you see the Snellen's chart, the distance of the patient from the chart is 6 meters or it is 20 feet. So in India, we will take it in meters, while in US, we take it in feet. So 6 meters is equal to 20 feet. And therefore, if I talk about the normal visual acuity, either it is 6 by 6 or it is 20 by 20, anything we can say. And whenever we are talking about the visual acuity, suppose I talk about 6 by 60. Okay. So this 6 actually is the distance. This is actually the distance of the patient from the chart. The distance of the patient from the chart is 6 meters, and 60 means the distance from which normal person can read this letter. The distance from which normal person can read this letter. So that means what a normal person can read from 60 meters, this person is reading from 6 meters. That is the concept of the visual acuity. Similarly, if I say 6 by 36, so that means what a normal person can read from 36 meters, this person is reading from 6 meters. When I say 6 by 24, that means what a normal person can read from 24 meters, this person is reading from 6 meters. 6 by 18, what a normal person can read from 18 meters, this person is reading from 6 meters. 6 by 12, what a normal person is reading from 12 meters, this person is reading from 6 meters. 6 by 9, what a normal person can read from 9 meters, this person is reading from 6 meters. And finally 6 by 6. So what a normal person can read from 6 meters, this person is also reading from 6 meters, and that is why he has the normal visual acuity. Now, the thing is that each letter is actually visible to the patient. Each letter the patient is able to see, the normal one, normal person is able to see. That means each letter is making some minimum angle. So that is your 5 minutes of the hour. You have to remember that each letter makes the 5 minutes of the hour. That is the minimum angle, but at the respective distances. So that is very, very important, at the respective distances. So 5 minutes are made at the respective distances. Now respective distances means if I talk about 6 by 60, so this will make 5 minutes at the 60 meter. Similarly, when I talk about 6 by 36, so respective means this will make 5 minutes at 36 meters. 6 by 24 means it will make 5 minutes at the 24 meters. If I talk about 6 by 18, then this is 5 minutes at the 18 meters. Then 6 by 12 है, this will make 5 minutes at the 12 meters. 6 by 9 means we have 5 minutes at the 9 meters, and finally 6 by 6. That is, it will make 5 minutes at the 6 meters only. Okay, so this is the case. Now, if they are asking what is the angle made at 6 meters by 6 by 60 letter, okay. Now, what you already know that it will make an angle of 5 minutes at the 60 meters. This you already know. Now, if he is not able to see from the 60 meters, he is going to closer 6 meters. Patient is standing at a distance of 6 meters. That means he is going closer by 10 times. So because he is going closer by 10 times, therefore angle will also increase by 10 times. 5 into 10, this is 50 minutes. So simply What you can do, you have to divide by 6 and multiply by 5, because 6 is the minimum distance and 5 is the minimum angle. If you can remember this, you can do question like this also. If you understand by the how much closer he is going, like if I talk about 6 by 36, so he will make an angle of 5 minutes at 36 meters. If he is having a visual acuity of 6 by 36, okay, then what is the angle made? So what is the angle made at 6 meters, guys? So now it is going closer by 6 times. Therefore, angle will be increasing by 6 times. That will be 30 minutes. Similarly, we can do it for 6 by 24 also, because here we are going from 24 to 6. So this is 4 times, because we are going closer by 4 times. So 5 into 4, this will give me 20 minutes. Then 6 by 18 के लिए we are going 18 by 6. This is equal to 3 times. Divide by 6 and then multiply by 5. You will get the 15 minutes. Then if I say 6 by 12, ठीक है, 12 upon 6 is 2. 5 into 2, 10. So this will form 10 minutes. And finally 6 by 6 is equal to 5 minutes only. This was asked in a set 2022. Please see if you have understood how to do this question. Any of the doubts in any of the questions? Any of the doubt in any of the question, guys? So we have done all the question, guys, and one thing I would say that we have not done these many questions. We have done these many topics. We have done even topics more than these, because we have also discussed all the 4 options. So if I have done 30 questions, 30 into 4, 120, we have discussed 120 topics. Yes, if you are able to do these 120 topics, if you know everything about these 120 topics that is being told in the class, and you are knowing the images related to it, it will be sufficient, and you can easily do the questions of your inset examination. Yeah. So 1.5 syndrome. Okay. 1.5 syndrome. If I talk about 1.5 syndrome, it is actually due to the MLF lesion plus the PPRF lesion of the one side. So on the same side, I am having the MLF lesion also, and I am having the PPRF lesion also. So suppose I am making these eyes something like this. This is the right eye and this is the left eye. Okay, now you can see that if I am having the MLF lesion here, okay, because of the MLF lesion, we will have the ipsilateral ka adduction deficit, and we have the contralateral abduction nystagmus. This you already know from your MLF lesion. So that means I will have absence of so we will have the absence of the adduction deficit on this side, as well as we will have the abduction nystagmus here. Okay, now due to this MLF lesion, it is also connected with the third nerve of this side. So this lesion is also gone, because it was between third and the sixth nerve nucleus like this. Okay, so this MLF lesion is also affecting this one. So this has also gone due to the PPRF. Now this is gone. So this is half, that will be equal to 1, plus this is also gone. So this is half. Therefore, it is 1.5 syndrome. Only movement which is possible is actually the abduction with the other side. That is called as 1.5 syndrome. For the Park 3 step test, I have already discussed it multiple times, and also have given you a separate video for the Park 3 step test. We can please refer to that, and if you have any doubt, tomorrow again I will try to give you the this one on your Telegram group. We can discuss the different combinations, and we can be discussing the options. If you have any doubt in that, you can send me the screenshot of what you have done the solution. I will check to this and I will let you know in which step you are doing the problem. So I hope you have understood, guys. Now the topics like one and a half syndrome, your junctional scotomas, we have the INOs, we have internuclear ophthalmoplegias and isocorias. There are so many things. Will not create a problem. All the very best for your INSET examination. Lage raho, do your very, very best. Keep on revising all the sessions, PDF you are getting. Keep on revising them, and I know that you will all come up in the flying colors. All the very best, guys. Happy ophthalmology. Bye bye.